The Vedanta Sutra was compiled by Vyasdev. He is incarnation of Krishna, Dvaipayana of Vyas. So therefore, it is compiled by his incarnation, so it is compiled by him. Because his incarnation, he is the same. So, Vedanta Krit, means the compiler of the Vedanta, and the compiler of the Vedanta is Vedanta Vid, one who knows Vedanta. Because I have written some book, so I know what is the purpose of writing my book. You cannot know. My purpose, you cannot know. There is a small instructive story in this, not story, fact, in this connection. In Calcutta, there was a great dramatist. He was very well-known government officer. He wrote one book, Shah Jahan. That is very famous book for theatrical play. So in that, Shah Jahan means King Emperor Shah Jahan. Practically the name which is given on the book, the hero title, he is the hero. So one of the friend of Mr. D.L. Rai, he inquired from Mr. Rai that in your book Shah Jahan, the actual hero is Aurangzeb. Why you have given the title Shah Jahan? He could not understand it. So I am just trying to explain that the purpose of the book must be known to the author, not others. So the author replied, my dear friend, the actual hero is Shah Jahan, not Aurangzeb. Although the Shah Jahan book is full of activities of Aurangzeb. The fact is that Shah Jahan was the emperor. He had many, 4 or 5 sons, and his wife died, Mumtaz, at an early age. You have seen, those who have gone to India, you have seen the Taj Mahal building. That building was constructed in the memory of that Mumtaz by Shah Jahan. He spent all his money for constructing that building. So it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So that Shah Jahan lost his wife at an early age. She was very fond of his wife, and because affectionate father, he did not very much chastise his son, and he spent all his money in constructing the memory of his wife. So when the sons grew up, the third son, Aurangzeb, came out very crooked. And he made a plan how to usurp the empire. He killed his elder brother and other brothers. He arrested his father, Shah Jahan. So this is the book subject matter, Shah Jahan. So whole activities. But the author says that Aurangzeb is not the hero. Hero is Shah Jahan. Then he explained why. That because Shah Jahan was living, sitting in the Agra fort as a prisoner, and all the reactions of Aurangzeb's activities, killing of his other sons, usurping the empire, that was beating on his heart. Therefore he was suffering. He is the hero. So this is an example. The author of a book knows very well what is the purpose of that book. That is my statement. Similarly, this Vedanta Sutra was compiled by Vyasdev, or Krishna's incarnation, or Krishna himself. So he knows what is Vedanta Sutra. So if you want to understand Vedanta Sutra, then you must understand Krishna.